Okay, John. Well, first off, you're for one of my former students, and so as far as this opportunity to actually be involved, was it actually worth it? Was it worth your time, your investment, as well as the education thereof?
Absolutely.
Good. Okay, and let's say that if I had actually a lot of knowledge or no knowledge, I mean, also in that category, do you think for traders in general, do you feel like there's still a lot to learn?
Not really. I mean, there is and there isn't. It's more of a fact of learning what you're comfortable with, because irregardless of what I've learned, it all relates and applies directly back to the basics that you teach.
Good. So obviously, that's the main thing I emphasize is to keep things simple, right?
Yeah.
So it's easy to get out of control with too many indicators. People can also overwhelm them with too much information where they can hurt their trades. So I understand you trade gold too.
Yeah.
Is the same principles that you learn, can you apply them with trading gold? Can you make money with gold?
Absolutely.
Good.
You can do it with any single market there is.
Good. Awesome. So, a big question a lot of people ask and want to know is this an opportunity that you can make $5,000-$10,000 a month? Is it possible?
Most definitely.
Good. And more than anything, too, a lot of people's goals in life is to either trade for a living, maybe make it a supplemental income. In your trades, do you feel like you have to put hours upon hours in front of the charts, or do you feel like you can actually see a good opportunity, set your trades and be able to walk away and let your money work for you?
I believe it's more of a personal, I guess not preference, but more of personally how people deal with things psychologically, but you can do either or.
Yeah, absolutely, right? Okay, so it comes down to personality.
Yeah.
Well, another thing is with your progression here in your trades, do you think it was important to have a mentor, or do you think you could have done this on your own?
I definitely believe it was instrumental in helping me. There's absolutely no way around it. I probably would have spent 10 years trying to figure this out.
That would have been pretty frustrating, right?
Yeah.
Plus, not only trying to figure it out, I mean, you would be spending a lot of money, probably losing it. And, yeah, absolutely, I was in the same category as, trying to figure it out on my own. And so a lot of people want to know, hey, yeah, is it possible? And they want to know, how about risk? Do you feel like the things that you've learned in this actual trading program, do you feel like you can actually control your money almost? Like saying that you're in control, you can actually be pretty consistent, per se.
Definitely. It just comes back to the principles that you say of don't try and force trades and don't try and force yourself to see positions that aren't really there.
Yeah, I said that several times, huh? So.
Oh, yeah.
Good. So looking at a standpoint as someone that wants to get involved or just in their curiosity, do you feel like it's definitely something that they need to consider instead of just thinking about and trying to figure out on their own?
I would definitely say so.
Okay, good. Well, I definitely am proud of you, John, and know that you've definitely put in the time and effort, and that's really the important part, is to put the time into the practicing, the exercises, and also the homework assignments that we've given you, and like I said before, it just really comes down to the mindset and applying the principles that we teach here.